If the highest power, the zeros equal to the highest power of that polynomial. Quadratic, highest power 2, zeros 2. Cubic, highest power 3, zeros 3. Here, highest power 4, zeros 4. So, the given zeros 2. Extra, we will be find out 2 zeros. Given P of x. Given P of x equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Comparing this polynomial with a x power 4 plus b x cube plus c x square plus dx plus e, we get a equal to, comparing x power 4, the coefficient of x power 4 what here, a equal to 3, b equal to 6, c minus 2, d minus 10, e minus 5. That's it. So given two zeros, are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3 minus root of 5 by 3. Minus root of 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3 minus root of 5 by 3. Given. And here, let the other zeros be alpha, beta. Let the other two zeros be alpha, beta. Now, sum of zeros already given two zeros, other three zeros, sum of zeros minus b by a. So root of 5 by 3 minus root of 5 by 3 plus alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Here what is b? 6 minus 6 by a 3. Root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 cancel, and alpha plus beta equal to 2 times minus 2. Alpha plus beta minus 2. This is one side. Alpha plus beta. Now, product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3 alpha beta equal to c by a. Alpha beta constant by the x power 4 coefficient. Here what is e minus 5 by a what? 3 minus 5 by 3. Here root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3, 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 alpha beta equal to minus 5 by 3. Now alpha beta equal to 5 by 3 into 3 by 5 cancel 1. Alpha beta equal to 1. Alpha beta equal to 1. Copy down. Let it be continued. we'll solve, find out alpha betas. Here, to get alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is the identity. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square minus 4 ab. So, if we substitute in this alpha beta, what? Alpha plus beta minus 2 whole square minus 4 into alpha beta 1. This is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 0 minus 2 whole square 4 alpha beta 1 4 0 alpha minus beta whole square equal to 0 alpha minus beta equal to 0. This is 2 alpha plus beta what? Alpha plus beta minus 2. This is 1, this is 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 alpha equal to minus 2. Alpha equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Alpha equal to. If you substitute alpha value in 1, alpha plus beta equal to minus 2. What is alpha? Minus 1 plus beta equal to minus 2. Beta equal to minus 2 plus 1. Beta equal to minus 2 plus 1. Here what? Alpha plus beta. 2 alpha equal to minus 2. Alpha equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta. Alpha what? Minus 1 plus beta. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Beta equal to minus 1. Copy it up. Therefore, required zeros are already given root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 minus 1 minus 1. That's it. Here guys, first read the given problem and understand what it has given, what will we find out. Here, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. That's it. Find g of x. Find g of x. And dividing by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and the remainder were. Quotient, this is the quotient. Let p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is the p of x. Dividing this p of x, we got the quotient x minus 2. Quotient equal to x minus 2. Remainder quotient q of x equal to remainder r of x equal to remainder r equal to r equal to what? Minus 2x plus 4. We have the division algorithm. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, this is a dividend divisor. 4 2s are 8. This is the remainder. Now, according to the division algorithm, dividend equal to what? 9 equal to 2 into 4 plus 1. Now, 2 into 4 plus 1. Already, what is given? Dividend given and quotient given. Quotient what? 4 given. Remainder given. If we don't know this, this is x there. How will you find? Similarly, you find this 4x equal to 9 minus 1, 8. X equal to 8 by 4. 2. X equal to 2. This is the method we are going to solve. Okay. This is the method we are going to solve. Here, dividend equal to divisor. Now, we find out quotient. Here, substitute divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Reverse way I write. Quotient equal to first divisor into quotient. We find substitute in this. What is remainder? What is the quotient? The quotient and remainder. Quotient what? X minus 2 plus remainder minus 2x plus 4. We don't need this divisor. Here we don't know the divisor. Equal to dividend what? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now, divisor into x minus 2 equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x changes plus 2x minus 4 minus 2x plus 2x changes and minus plus 4 minus 4. Now x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2. Divisor equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now we divide x cube minus 3x plus 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. Copy down guys. minus 2 as dividend and x minus 2 as divisor. Then we will get the divisor. X cube by x cube by x square. X square is the first term. By x square multiply this. X square into x cube, x square into minus 2, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square, minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Subtract, change the symbols. Cancel plus 2x minus 3 minus x square plus 3x. Now, this is the minus x square by x minus x. With minus x multiply this minus x into x minus x square minus into minus plus 4x. Sorry. Minus x into 2 plus 2x. Minus x into 2 plus 2x. Plus minus cancel minus 2x x dx minus 2x x. Get down minus 2. Now x by x one time plus 1. So multiply x minus 2. 0. Remainder 0. Therefore required required g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. We copy it out. Here children, this is for external. Find the remainder when p of x divided by x plus 1 and the p of x by divided by x minus 8. So p of x divided by x plus 2 by 3. Everyone write, solve and send to my WhatsApp number the solution papers. Have a nice time.